Hi, I'm Christine Deegan with Coldwell Banker Real Estate Group. I'm here in front of my great new listing at 239 Alison Court in Wrightstown. Let's take a look. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like more information about this incredible property, head over to christinedeegan.com. Now, before we go, per the seller, in the last 4 years, they've spent more than $45,000 on updates in this home, like the roof, windows, kitchen appliances, washer and dryer, flooring, water heater, air conditioner, and more. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.